Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add electric light border effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add electric light border effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom. Click on it, and after this you can click on the video effect, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see frame, this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can see electric light border effect, so you just click on it and then click check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color, for the horizontal shift, for the speed, and then for the size, okay, and for the intensity, and the last for the rotate. And after this, you can click a check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add electric light border effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.